Hi all, Namaskaram. So yesterday we discussed about day 3 of Navratri. So today we will be discussing about day 4 of Navratri. So we celebrate Devi today as Kushmanda Devi. So what is the backstory of Kushmanda Devi? When the universe still did not exist, it was still pitch darkness around there, and nobody were there. Not we, neither me, neither you, neither the plants, neither the whole universe was not there. So at that time, only Devi Kushmanda existed. So it is said and it is believed that the whole universe is a result of her divine smile. Once she smiled, the whole universe was formed and the whole universe was created. The pitch darkness was completely vanished. So this is the story behind it, and it is said like this, and it is believed like this. The whole universe is formed because of her divine smile. And how will Kushmanda Devi be? She will have 8 hands, that is Ashtabhuja. In her 8 hands, she'll be having Kamandalam and bow, arrow, and then lotus. She'll be having Gada or maze, I can say. She'll be having Japmala. She'll be having Amrit in her, and that is a jar of nectar. Amrit means people who drink Amrit will have no death, will have no fear of death. That is what is said. And then she'll have chakra in her hand. She'll be sitting on a lion. This is how she will be. Kushmanda, the Devi Kushmanda. Ku means it is little. Ushma means energy. Anda means egg. So it is also like little cosmic egg. It is said that if we pray her and we get her blessings, the darkness in our life, the struggles and the hurdles in our life will be removed. If we pray to her, it is said like this. And the color for today is cream color. You can see cream color. And to tell you one thing, this is my favorite outfit. This is my favorite look. I have worn it many times, but I'll never get tired of wearing this. I don't know why, but I'll never get tired of wearing this. I once wore it for my Rotary Club installation. I was getting installed as a president for my Rotary Club. So I wore it then, and then I wore it for my friends, family friends, marriage, and one more occasion. Then I wore it, but I seriously don't remember that. How many more times I will, so I'll not get bored, and I will not make you bored by telling about this outfit. And the next is Prasadam, that is Naivedyam. We do as Kara Pongal or sweet Pongal, which is made out of milk, it must be. And then one more dish is Allam Gurelu, that is also a Telugu dish, I can say. You'll hear a lot of Telugu words or accents or the dishes. Or anything which is related to Telugu from me, because I'm a Telgite, so you'll hear it from me. Sorry for that. But Allam Gurelu in English is called ginger medu vada. It is ginger medu vada in English. And then yesterday I left you with a question: why are dolls kept in this Dasara? Why are dolls kept in this Dasara? There are two things for that. One saying is that we got to give our gratitude to God, right? We got to tell him thank you for whatever he has given to us, for whatever he's been doing to us, for everything. We got to tell him thank you, right? So we cannot go to his loka and tell him thank you. So we bring him and his whole loka over here. That is, we bring God, goddesses, we bring all the other devata and everybody. And in this universe, we are also there. So we are also over there in the form of mud idols. And there are incidents which happens in life of a man. That is, might be a marriage, might be a birth ceremony, naming ceremony, and Upanayam, they say, the thread ceremony, it might be that, and it might be agricultural field, agricultural land, park, and so many other are there. So these things are there. So to tell thank you to him, we bring him and his loka over here. Actually, it is like in the whole universe, our houses, there are a little house wherein we see, in the map also we see, we cannot see. But during this Navratri, during the celebration time, we bring him and his whole loka, and we put all the human beings and all the nature also over there, and we celebrate it, and we do aarti for it, and we just celebrate it, because positive vibes and positive energy is always good, right? So we just celebrate it with a lot of happiness. And there is one more story also related to this, and this story is related to Durga Saptashati. So the story goes like, there were two people whose family disowned them, they snatched away all their wealth and they threw them out of their houses. The family disowned them completely. They betrayed them. So these two people were, one was a Vaishya person and one was, Vaishya means a businessman. In the olden days, they say Vaishya means he's a businessman. Shatru, you can say, if you're from Karnataka, you'll know what is Shatru, or if you're from South India also, you'll know. So I am one of that. I am like Shatru. Yes, I belong to that. So it is like one Vaishya person was, and one more person was Sutara Maharaja. So these two people's family disowned them, betrayed them, took away all their wealth, and they pushed them out of their houses. And they both reached to Sumedha Maharshi. So what did Sumedha Maharshi do? When they reached to Sumedha Maharshi gave them shelter, helped them, and then he taught them about the Devi, and he gave the teachings about Devi. And during this whole time, Sutara Maharaja made a small idol of Devi with mud, and did puja to the particular Devi. And since we say the whole universe is a result of Devi's mind, the whole universe is formed and created because of Devi, the mud idol is being done the puja, or we celebrate the Devi along with all the rest of the universe. Might be Devi, Devatas, gods, goddesses, human beings, and the incidents happening in their life, females, males, small kids, elders, everybody will be there in the idols kept for Dasara during the Navratri, the whole 9 days. And this also has a custom or a following sampradaya, which is the steps. It might be 9 steps. Few people say it should be 9 steps. Few say it should be 5, 3, or 1 or 7. It should be. So few people say like that. It is just that how they have followed, how it is, how it has come. So it is also said that since the whole Brahmanda, since the whole universe is because of Devi, so the first step where you would have seen in my previous videos, the first step is Kalasha. So these 9 days we keep Kalasha and do puja to Devi. So the first step will be of Kalasha, and then will be of Astalakshmis, then will be of Dasha Avatara, then will be of incidents of person's life, which is marriage and so on, and then in park and so on. But in the present days, from past few years, in the recent years, we keep it according to their particular wish, according to a particular family, how they celebrate, how they do. So we keep it according to their particular wish. Just like how there's a actual format of writing ABCD, but you write it in your own format of in your own handwriting, right? So just like that, they keep it in their own format, in their own decoration style, they keep it. So all the idols will be made of mud, but in the recent few years, in the past few years, to reduce the weight of the idols, they do it from paper also. But two main dolls, that is, you can say Raja Rani or bride and groom. Okay, and the wood dolls in Kannada is called as Pattada Bombe. And that's it for today's video. And I will show you a doll set in the doll collection which we have, and I'll be showing about this also. What is this? I will tell you about that also. And every day I give an extra question or extra thing, right? So tomorrow's extra question or an extra thing will be as one more extra video. What is that extra video and all, I'll be telling it to you in tomorrow's video, and I'll put that extra video also for you guys to see. So please do check out that. I'll show you the dolls.
These are the Dasha avatars I was talking about. Firstly, we have Matsya avatara, which is fish. Next, we have Kurma avatara, which is turtle or tortoise. Next, we have Varaha avatara, which is boar. Next, we have Narasimha avatara, that is lion man. Next, we have Vamana avatara, that is dwarf god. Next, we have Parashurama avatara, the Brahmin warrior. Next, we have Rama avatara, the Kshatriya Raja. Next, we have Balarama or Buddha, also few people say. Next, we have Krishna. And next, we have Kalki, the god who ends the Kali Yuga.
So I was talking about this also, right? So when I told about agricultural fields also will be created as dolls and kept over here. We actually, or the park, or you can say as a park. So it is actually made, the seeds are put and it is been made to grow. So this is the wheat grass, you can see. This is the wheat grass, and I don't think so you will actually identify what are these two. These two are oil cans, the 5 liter oil cans, whatever you get. So these two are oil cans. The top is cut, the mud is put inside, and the wheat grass made to grow. And the painting is done, and the ears are kept, you can say Ganesha or elephant, and the peta is put. So this was all my mother's creation. This is all my mother's creativity and her hard work for almost 3 days or something. She was doing it every day, every night. She was doing in the evening and all. So this is her hard work, and the grass is grown so beautifully.
And that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you all guys liked it, and keep waiting for tomorrow's video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your positive vibes and for your support. Thank you so much.